In this video, we'll look at the operation of the Forward Collision Mitigation System, or FCM. The FCM is designed to help avoid certain frontal collisions or reduce the crash speed in those collisions. Using radar, the FCM monitors distance to a vehicle in front and relative speed to that vehicle. Remember, the FCM is not an automatic driving system or a collision avoidance system. It cannot prevent all frontal collisions and is not a substitute for your safe and careful driving. When the FCM judges that there is a risk of collision, the system will warn you of this potential hazard using both visual and audible alarms. When this function is triggered, an audible tone will sound, and at the same time, a brake message will appear on the multifunction information display. At the same time, the FCM will also prepare to provide quick brake response and greater brake force when you apply the brakes. When the FCM judges that a collision with the vehicle straight ahead is imminent, it will automatically apply moderate braking to warn the driver to apply the brakes immediately. If the FCM determines that a collision is highly unavoidable, it will automatically apply emergency braking to reduce the severity of the collision, and, if possible, to avoid the collision completely. When the FCM applies emergency braking, an audible tone will sound and a warning message will be displayed on the multi-information display. If the FCM detects that the driver is making significant steering and/or acceleration inputs to try and avoid a collision, FCM operation may be canceled. This switch is used to turn the FCM on or off and can also be used to select the distance which will trigger the forward collision warning function. Every time your vehicle is started, the FCM will automatically be set to on. To turn off the FCM, press and hold the FCM switch for 3 seconds. An audible tone will sound, and the FCM off indicator will appear in the multi-information display. To turn on the FCM again, press and hold the FCM switch. An audible tone will sound, and the FCM off message indicator will go off, and the current distance mode for the forward collision warning will be shown in the display. The detection range for the FCM warning can be adjusted between near and far. This only affects the distance with which the audible and visual warnings are provided. It does not affect the FCM braking function. To change the distance mode, push the FCM on-off switch. Every time the switch is pushed, the distance mode will be switched and the selected distance shown in the display. The FCM will not operate under all conditions. Some of these limitations include when the speed of your vehicle is less than 2 miles per hour, when an object in front is not a vehicle, such as a pedestrian, a motorcycle, a bicycle, or a low trailer, when a vehicle suddenly cuts in front of your vehicle, when you are driving faster than 18 miles per hour and the vehicle in front is stopped or moving very slowly, when the vehicle ahead is not completely in your path. For more information regarding the FCM, please refer to the owner's manual.